हेलो एवरीबॉडी, इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर महाराष्ट्र सीईटी 2025 और अगर आपके दिमाग में अभी भी कोई डाउट्स है कि कौन से कॉलेजेस है, टॉप कॉलेजेस है जो सीईटी का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करते हैं एंड व्हाट आर द डिटेल्स कैन वी नो अबाउट दीज कॉलेजेस, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट रियली क्विकली. माय नेम इज अमित सुराना. दिस इज योर चैनल टेक्स्ट बुक एमबीए. So what I've done is I've split them into two parts. One is tier 1 colleges जो कि sought after है, बहुत ज़्यादा competition भी है वहाँ पर, and the other would be tier 2 and tier 3 together, right? Mind you, we've not covered all the colleges in Maharashtra state because then that's going to be a huge video. But we've covered some top 20-25 colleges जो आप you can expect on applying and you can expect a call from there as well. So here we start with the obvious JBIMS in Mumbai. 99.9 plus percentile की expectations है उनकी and 120 उनका intake है, right? Then we have Simsri, which is your synonym. Mumbai 99.8 plus percentile, 208 की इनकी intake है. Wellinkar, which is your V school, Mumbai 99.5 plus percentile, 120. The one college from Pune, one college which is a non-Mumbai college that is again blindly sought after because of their very low fees and very high average salary, right around 4.5 lakhs की उनकी fees है and their average package is somewhere around 12, right? So that is Pumba, right? In Pumba, that is Department of Management Studies. Pune 180 का उनका intake है, but then again the expectations is quite high with respect to percentile, 99 plus percentile की उनकी expectations है. So these are the tier 1 colleges that you should definitely aim at if you crack the test. But apart from that, there are other colleges also that you can go for. Most of them are Mumbai based, some of them are Pune based as well. That's your Indira Institute of Management. बाकी ये सारे जो colleges हैं, all of these are Mumbai based. Here is the cutoff for it and here's the approximate intake that they take for their management course के लिए, या MMS हो या MBA हो या PGDM हो, whatever is the course, that's their intake of it, right? So I'll just leave here for a while. You can go through this quickly. राइट आप पॉज करके आप इसको बाद में देख लीजिएगा. राइट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस अगेन देयर इज अनदर लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस. यस, this is their cutoff. Yeah, again here we have a couple Pune based colleges. We have MIT, we have Flame, we have Balaji as well, and then there's one based out of Mira Road, that is NL Dalmia. इसके अलावा बाकी सारे मुंबई based है. Usually Mumbai based colleges are what people aim for when they go to Maharashtra based colleges, right? ये इनके intakes हैं and here we have their percentile. With Balaji Institute, they've clearly mentioned in their official website that they don't have any minimum cutoff requirement for their MBA program or PGDM program. ठीक है, so this is what it is, right? Let us know in the comments आप कौन से कॉलेज पे एम कर रहे हैं. आई नो मोस्ट ऑफ यू ऑल आर एमिंग एट JBIMS and Simsri and V School and Pumba, right? JBIMS having a very high ROI, बहुत ज़्यादा हाई है. Simsri also similar concept है, very high ROI, right? Tell us in the comments आप लोग कौन सा एम कर रहे हैं and how well is your preparation going on, right? इसके अलावा what are we doing to make sure कि आपका महाराष्ट्र CET crack हो? From our side, we are putting up free resources on our very YouTube channel. इसी YouTube channel पे सारे free resources available हैं. And what we've done is we've collated all of this under a single playlist. Playlist का नाम है Mission MH MBA CET 2025. You can click on this playlist. इस playlist में you will find all the videos including academic and non-academic strategy based जो भी videos है वो भी हमने यहीं पे डाल रखी है, so that it becomes easy for anyone preparing for Maharashtra CET to find it, है ना, आसानी से मिल जाए आपको. Right, so go check this out. We've put up 50-day strategies, free resources. We've put up roadmaps for quant, logical. We've also started with verbal ka classes, right? The videos are, we're putting up videos on a regular basis. So make sure कि आप उन्हें check कर ले. This is going to help you with the concepts, of course. It's going to help you with the practice as well because CET is a different ball game altogether. You have the number of questions and the amount of time, that is a 45-second period. For average period for each question seems a little less, but then yes, with the right amount of practice, right kind of practice also, this will be possible. And we'll be doing previous year questions pe sessions as well. And it's an obvious thing, while we get closer to the test, we'll start doing some marathons also, so that you can use them as a last minute revision capsule. This is going to help you get that confidence, है ना. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है CET जैसे टेस्ट में. You have to have the confidence, क्योंकि आपके पास टाइम नहीं है वो confidence build करने का हर क्वेश्चन पे, right? So with the right kind of strategy, with the right kind of preparation and practice, you can definitely crack it. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं, मेरे को फ्री रिसोर्सेज तो है सर, बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू सो मच, बट इसके अलावा आई वांट टू जॉइन अ कोर्स दैट इज स्पेसिफिकली डिजाइन फॉर अ टेस्ट लाइक CET, then we've got you covered for that also. This is Maharashtra CET 2025 का crash course, where we have 40 plus classes, we have 40 plus mock tests. This is very important. The mock tests are extremely important because you have to get used to the entire process of looking at a question, answering immediately, or leaving it for good and going back, right? Because आपके पास इतना time नहीं रहेगा to come back to a question and have a look at it again. Yes, time बहुत कम है. Time is at the time सोना है वहाँ पर, literal gold है, right? And the value of it only keeps increasing, right? So you don't have any time to have a look at a question, बैठ के आराम से solve किया उसको, टेबल वेबल बनाया मस्त एकदम स्केल वेल यूज करके, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So you have to make sure that you are on point with your preparation there, right? यहाँ पे we also give you practice questions that are based out of proper Maharashtra CET level, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं और से क्वेश्चन उठा के डाल दिया, कोई और लेवल का क्वेश्चन उठा के डाल दिया, नहीं, राइट. And most important are these chapter wise ebooks that are going to help you as a cheat sheet at the last minute. सारे formulas, सारे concepts एक जगह पर मिल जाएंगे आपको, which will make it very easy for you to do a quick revision anytime you're planning on giving a mock test or even the night before the exam, right? Also selection ka commitment. This is what is going on right now at Textbook. This is the price for the crash course. Earlier it was 15,999, then we brought it down to 5,999 for this period, right? For this period of Valentine's. This is the price. You can use this code Core MBA to get access to this batch at this price. So I hope this video helps you. कोई भी अगर आपके पास क्वेश्चंस है, क्वेरीज है, या आप कौन से कॉलेजेस को जीरो डाउन कर रहे हो, कौन सा कॉलेजेस आपके फोकस में है, उनका नाम लिखो डिस्क्रिप्शन में. Treat it like a manifestation. You never know what if it works out. Yeah. So I hope this video helps you guys. All the very best. Cheers.